Hello, TikTokers. Welcome to Real Law Talk. I had an experience yesterday, and it reminded me that I needed to make this video regarding CPS tactics. In New York City, it's called ACS. So there are several tactics that ACS uses in New York City. One of the major tactics is that the ACS lawyers that I deal with call the ACS workers, the CPS workers, they call them their clients. Okay, like I have clients. So what happened yesterday was I denied my client speaking to an ACS worker, and then I got a call from the ACS lawyer. So that's what we call ACS. So I had a 13-minute conversation with the CPS lawyer. We hammered out exactly what was going to happen in the case. And then today, the CPS workers show up at my client's house, totally negating the agreement that I and the ACS lawyer were involved with, what we agreed to. So what really happens is that even the ACS lawyers have no control over the CPS workers because the lawyers for CPS are not in the process of doing the street work of removing kids. So those tactics are executed by the CPS workers. When I deal with criminal cases and I speak to a prosecutor about a case, his cops don't go out and talk to my client. The prosecutor has control of his case and will direct the police to do and not do certain things. And if we agree to do something, the prosecutor and the police will honor that agreement. In the CPS world, that is not the case because the tactics that they use are to remove children and to put parents into useless services. So, and CPS in New York City has a policy that workers do not speak to attorneys. And at an appellate argument, one of the big appellate judges in the city asked the CPS lawyer, how does that help the kids? And they had no answer. They're not held accountable by anyone. And that's Real Law Talk.